The number one predictor of student success is a great teacher. But how do we know if educators are well trained and fully equipped to be effective in our schools? It starts with an educator preparation program. Our nation's schools employ 3 million teachers in the United States. All of them go through training to prepare to educate students. We rely on 27,000 programs in approximately 2,000 separate institutions for that training to occur, to prepare the estimated 316,000 new teachers that will be needed each year by 2025 to meet the rising student demand across America. When you look at candidates with diverse backgrounds, we have an even bigger challenge attracting and retaining quality teacher candidates in the pipeline.
We used to graduate 200, 300 candidates a year in the teacher education program, but now we're barely graduating 30 candidates, and we can see the reason why the schools are having shortages with minority applicants. Our candidates come to us with limited experiences with advanced math and science skills, and so we have to put in supports in order to help those candidates through the program. And then when they leave us, they can compete with any other classroom teachers in the nation.
This is one of the big challenges as well, as we start to diversify our pipeline from the underrepresented or underserved. Bringing those into our educator pipeline also adds a responsibility of supporting them.
Raising the number of diverse educator candidates requires the examination of blockers that occur during the pipeline and ensuring that programs are preparing groups equitably and targeting program improvements as needed. Without connected data, this information is even harder to analyze and provide targeted supports for.
Before the partnership with the Edify Alliance was that we were data rich but wisdom poor. In other words, we could access pieces of data in different areas, but we had a jigsaw that was pieces without a clear and coherent picture of what was really going on.
Edify is helping EPPs tackle challenges with data using a free step-by-step tool called Starter Kits, providing EPPs with an easy entry point into data interoperability that is an achievable and cost-effective starting point for them to use data to better understand and improve their program.
Each person can log in, look for the category or the element or the standard of the data information they're looking for, and then it's right there. And they won't have to wait to receive data from someone else. Having access in one location is a plus.
I think the key to the starter kits is this idea of empowerment and community building through this notion of access to the data we need to inform what we need to do for our candidates to succeed.
The starter kits are ideal for educator preparation programs who are seeking insights into these critical areas, providing solutions for them to effectively monitor interventions and impact within a cycle of continuous improvement.
Putting an investment in Edify on the front end will make the investment of resources on the back end so much more efficient and targeted.
If you would like to learn more, please contact the team at Edify.